Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML background images. Right now, we are talking about background stretch. If you want the background image to stretch to fit the entire element, you can set the background size property to 100%, 100%. If you don't know how we got this 100%, 100%, you can watch our previous videos on image maps. You get to understand this. So we are using this right now because I'm not going to explain it for you right here. You can watch our former tutorial on image maps. Then you are going to understand the reason why we use this in here in the background size properties. So quickly, let's use it. Try resizing the browser window and you will see that the image will stretch but always cover the entire element. Like this, we are not talking about this right now because we've discussed about it. To make the video short, we are talking about only this value inside our word, our background size. So quickly, let's demonstrate it. This is how it looks. This is how it looks at the beginning without it. Can you see? Right now we are using cover in our background size. Right now, let's use it 100%. This is your X. You will see what will happen. Reload. Can you see? Nothing shows yet. So let's use another one again, which is your Y, which is 100%, and save it again. Now reload. Can you see? The image is full now. This is the scope we are talking about. So you can zoom in and zoom out. Your image will still be there. This is how we made it. So I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. To the next.